Okay, so this is a quick script about how to do a hand-in if you haven't figured it out. So this is going to look a little different for me than it is for you because I'm an instructor, not a student. But you should be, assuming you found this video, you should be here at Lab 0 Practice Hand-in. Get to it from assignments or from modules. So here, what you want to do is click on this, download it. That is your assignment instructions. This is the document that you will be filling out. And this is a little script on how to get started on Lab 1. So to do your Lab 0 hand-in, you don't really need to actually get started, but you will need to open up MATLAB, make a quick script, and copy it in, or copy in one of the scripts from lectures, for example. All right, there's another PDF here that will walk you through the Gradescope hand-in if you don't want to follow this video. And then this is an example from the one that I'm just going to show you of what the actual document looks like. All right, so you've downloaded everything, you've gone and you've looked at the lab and homework instructions, and you have cleverly set up your directory structure as shown. I recommend putting these directories somewhere that you can get to them, like if you've got a Google Drive or Dropbox or something like that. So you make your directory ENGR112, lab, lab1, go through all the rest of this, read it all, then open up the Lab 1 word problem. And what you'll see here is you'll see name, and it'll be blank. So you put your name in here. So you'll see people you work with. Anybody that you work with on this assignment, you put on here. You do not need to put in your TAs. Pick your lab time, whether it's eCampus or Wednesday or Tuesday or whatnot. Any websites that you use should go in here. And please help us with a little bit of time tracking. However much time you spent on ZY books that week, put it in here. Amount of time you spent actually doing this lab, put it in here. All right, so then you read the instructions, you fill out the rest of the lab. For now, you're just going to jump ahead to the first place where you actually fill something in, and that's in problem 1. So there's a bunch of step-by-step instructions. So what you would do is grab your script. I grabbed the Candy Store script, and you cut and paste it into here. And you want to make sure your formatting is correct, that you keep the Courier font and the colors here. Then you take the command window output and you put it in here. Then you go to File, Save As, and you get a list here, and what you want to do is pick PDF. So you're going to save this Word document as a PDF. So in this case, I've already made it, so I'll just save it over again. Okay, now you've done that. Now there are two things you have to do for the rest of your hand-in. One is to zip up that script and put it in Canvas. So if you go to Canvas, you'll notice that, well, for you at least, you will have a hand-in thing here that will let you hand in your assignment. You are only allowed to hand in an assignment of type zip. So what you do is you click on the add zip, go get your zip, upload it, and put it in here. If you don't know how to make a zip file, go see the instructions. After you do that, the second part of this is to upload your PDF. So for that, you go to Gradescope, which you should already have a login for. And you click on ENGR112, and you find the correct assignment. So in this case, it's Lab 0 Practice Hand-in. You click on that. And now in this case, I have already submitted, so you can see here what I submitted, but I'm going to go through the process again. So like I said, you can submit multiple times here. So click Submit. You want to submit a PDF. You select your PDF. So you go to wherever it is you saved your PDF. Here, I saved it right here. I say Open. Upload PDF. You sit and twiddle your thumbs for a second. And then it will show up here. And what you'll see is this is the outline that we've set up, and this is the PDF that it just scanned in. So what you need to do is click on Cover, click on the cover page, and you see big check mark. So now it knows where to find the cover page. Problem 1, now this is a little tricky. Don't go to problem 1 here because we want to see the actual code you wrote. So find the first place, the place that you pasted in the code, click there, and say Submit. I'm done. Ignore this error message. We're not going to match all pages to questions. Submit assignment, and you are done. So that's it. Zip and Gradescope hand-in. That's what you need to do for every lab. Don't forget to fill in the cover page every single time, and don't forget to leave yourself time to actually do this hand-in, because if you wait till the last possible minute, chances are your clock's off or something will get hung up and so on. So submit early, submit often.